Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I have a unique and amazing ideas of making your home garden tables with mosaic art. So let's not wait and start. Mosaic art is a decoration of surface with design made up of closely set, usually variously colored small pieces of metals such as stone, mineral, glass, tile, or shell. The best thing about this makeover is that you can personalize your tabletop with whatever tile design of your choosing. There is an option to mix different types of tiles and even break a few up to create a totally unique mosaic effect. So the tools and equipment you will need are a sandpaper, tape measure, fine tooth saw, a meter box, pencil, nails and hammer, lattice gloves, sponge, rubber sack. And the material you will need is wooden trimming, a side table of choice, self-priming paint of your choice, furniture lacquer, storing of mosaic tiles, tile adhesive, a ready mixed grout. So let's see how can we make it. Number one step is sand all paper, sand all over. First thing first, you need to make sure your table is free from scuffs, scraps, or rough patches. So use either an orbital sander or medium grit sandpaper to create an all-over smooth effect. Make sure any gloss is removed and don't neglect often forgotten areas such as the legs. Number two step is create a border for your mosaics to sit inside. You will need to measure just how far you want the tiles to come out on the top. Use a pencil and tape measure to mark out the areas, then cut out your wooden trimming to size using a meter box and a fine tooth saw. This will help to cut the border's corner to size at a perfect 40-inch angle so they slot into another one. Number three step is hammer borders with place. Put the wooden borders trimming in place and then use a nail and hammer to fix them to the table. Number four step is once the borders are in place, it's the time for the paint. Use a self-priming paint and apply a thin, even layer. Leave the first coat to dry before applying a second. Then use a coat of furniture lacquer to help seal and protect your newly painted surface. Number five step start the tiling. While the lacquer is drying, it's time to focus on the tiling and you can get as creative as you want with this. There are two options. Either use whole tiles or to break some up to make a unique mosaic border. This rustic broken mosaic look can be achieved by placing each tile in a rubble sack and hammering to break it up into 3 to 4 small pieces. Number six step is stick them down. Once you have decided on a design that fits the table, apply a small amount of tile adhesive to the back and press each one down. Number seven step apply grout. Once the adhesive is dry, apply some grout. Wear gloves for this. Fill in the gaps and remove any excess grout before it sets. Number eight step is sponge off any excess grout. Finally, take a damp sponge to it and wipe it across to clear any excess. Make sure to leave your table overnight so that the grout dries fully before putting anything on top of it. And there you have it, a unique side table you can be proud to say you made yourself. So I hope so you like this video, and if you like it, then subscribe our channel and hit the like button.